This is the price chart for Luna Terra, and you can see from a low of 13.9 cents on March 2020, it is currently at time of recording at $80.32, and it listed on CoinGecko at about $3.27. So it's done really, really well. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about a new protocol that's from the Cosmos ecosystem, and that aims to be an improvement upon what Terra Luna offers. I'm also going to be giving you an update on a small cryptocurrency project that I'm personally invested in and I've been following since 2017 when it first ICO'd, and give you an update on how well that's doing. And that one's been paying out regular rewards to token holders, and a little bit on a scam that you need to be aware of.
Take the first step towards online privacy. Get NordVPN.
Find the best cryptocurrency investments, check out Token Metrics, use my affiliate link for a discount. Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. Thank you so much for coming to join me and watch this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, you really should come and follow me on Odyssey. I'm posting extra videos on Odyssey that I'm not even bothering to do a little bit of the inserts or references or short takes on YouTube, and this is because of YouTube's censorship. So please do follow me on Odyssey, subscribe there if you enjoy my work. Plus, there's a different type of video that I'm doing on my Odyssey channel. You can also join me, follow me on Twitter, and join my official Telegram announcements channel. Okay, Luna Terra is a dual token protocol. It has Luna Terra, which is the coin that fluctuates in price, and then it has UST, which is a stable coin. Now, the great thing about UST is it doesn't require another cryptocurrency to use it. You know, if I want to use USDT, I got to have ETH or Tron. If I want to use BUSD, I got to have some Binance. If I want to use USDC, I got to have some ETH. Not so with UST. I can just use UST on its own. And then UST has this function where the more UST gets used, gets created, then the supply of Luna reduces. So Luna gets burnt as more and more UST gets used. And UST is increasingly being adopted as a stable coin pair in more and more exchanges. And with the expansion of the Osmosis DEX and the Cosmos ecosystem, there's going to be even more UST created. And that means that more and more Luna is going to get burnt. Now, it also works the other way. As UST gets traded, you know, move out of UST into whatever other asset, Luna gets created. So there's a algorithmic connection between the two. However, overall, what's happened is that because UST is used more and more and more and more and more and more as a stablecoin pair, then the supply of Luna Terra is being reduced, and therefore the price of Luna Terra is going up. Now, you could say that Luna Terra is an improvement on other stable coins like USDT and USDC. However, there's another one that I'm going to be talking about in a moment, which actually has a couple of improvements over Luna Terra. Now, first, I want to tell you about this. This is the Decent wallet. You can use it with dozens and dozens and dozens of cryptocurrencies, including all the main ones, plus all the ERC20 and BSC tokens. And currently, if you use my affiliate link to get one, and I have an affiliate link in the description below, not only do you get a discount, there's a 100% chance that you'll get tokens from the promotions that they're doing. Now, it is a neat little wallet with a lot of great security features, very, very easy to use. So I do recommend you check it out. But there is a scam associated with this, not with the actual legitimate wallet, but with this Telegram group that claims to be the support group for Decent. Now, Decent Wallet do not have a Telegram group. And I actually did join this Telegram group, and then I asked a few questions, and then they kicked me out. So if I show you here, let me just click on this, click there, open Telegram. This group is not accessible because I wanted to raise a query just to find out, and they didn't answer. They said, no, you got to speak to this person in private. I'm like, well, somebody else could benefit from our exchange. This is a scam Telegram group, and what they're probably going to do is offer to help you out, because people will look on Telegram if they want to get in touch with Decent Wallet, and they'll look on Telegram for the group, ask some questions, and then whoever you're dealing with is going to try and get your private keys or your seed phrase off in exchange for helping you, or that's how they're going to help you. Don't fall for it. Do not give away your private keys. Do not give away your seed phrase. If you want to get in touch with the Decent Wallet team, you can go to their official website, use my affiliate link, even if you don't buy a decent wallet, my affiliate link will take you to the right website. You can click on this and get help this way, or you can email them here, and you could even telephone them if you fancy a phone call to Korea. So I just wanted to let you know about this. So what's the dual protocol cryptocurrency that's an improvement upon what Terra offers? It is Shade Protocol. Now, I've covered Shade Protocol before. It's part of the Cosmos ecosystem. You can't trade it on Osmosis, though. You can trade it on Sienna Swap, Button Swap, and Secret Swap. It's an asset that belongs to the Secret ecosystem. Now, this is the Shade Protocol investment report produced by the team at Token Metrics. I'm a subscriber to Token Metrics. I'll tell you something about Token Metrics in a moment. And because I'm a subscriber, I can get this deep dive report. Now, Token Metrics allows you to invest like the experts. They use AI and fundamental analysis and technical analysis, which allows for them to do all kinds of ridiculous, extensive research to inform your investment decisions and to help you beat the market. Now, I have an affiliate link in the description below, which will give you a discount should you choose to sign up. And you could just try it out, a 7-day trial for 99 cents. Or you might be better off trying this one, $4.99 for 7-day trial. My link will be in the description below. The Secret Network brings programmable privacy to all major blockchains, including Monero. And you can see here that everything's obscured because with Secret Network, all tokens become privacy tokens. Secret Network is a layer 1 blockchain that focuses on privacy. Its native coin is public and allows for all transactions to be visible on the blockchain, but the privacy-preserving tokens of the network are encrypted and allow for confidential transactions between parties. Now, just as Luna Terra has UST as its stablecoin, Shade will have Silk as its stablecoin, an algorithmic stablecoin that will maintain its peg to a basket of global currencies and commodities through brand protocol oracles integrated into Shade Protocol. The weight of each currency in Silk will be based on that nation's contribution to global GDP. Now, this is an improvement or an additional development to what UST and Luna Terra have, as you can see here. So this is how stable coins have evolved. You have Tether, collateral backed by central entity, so they say. DAI, decentralized, backed by collateral, peg maintained by fees. Then you have Terra USD, algorithmic, peg backed by inflationary mechanics attached to a validator set, and it's backed by Luna Terra. And now we have Silk, algorithmic, peg backed by burn-based entry, treasury, and collateral with no inflation. Now, just as the demand for UST is deflationary for Luna, higher demand for Silk is deflationary for Shade. Now, Silk's price is going to be pegged at $1.05. But just for diagrammatic purposes, for ease of working it out, here we're using a peg of $1.02. So as the demand for Silk increases, Shade gets burnt. And then when there's a decrease in Silk supply, because people don't want Silk gets burnt and Shade gets created. Now, the team at Tokenmetrics go on to say that Shade's protocol tokenomics model is attractive because its governance and treasury token is deflationary, accrues revenue and value for stakers from multiple DeFi primitives, and will be interoperable with other IBC-enabled blockchains. Now, there's a lot in this report that I haven't covered. It's 15 pages PDF, right? But I'm just going to go through this bit. Shade, the governance and treasury token of Shade Protocol, will accrue value in multiple ways, namely Silk transaction fees, conversion minting fees, staking rewards. 12.36% of the token supply is allocated to staking rewards. Shade Treasury, lending, borrowing products, interest accrued from lending and borrowing will go to Shade stakers. DEX transaction fees, synthetics conversion and minting fees, and staking derivatives are all planned to launch on the protocol. And the more DeFi primitives that are launched through Shade Protocol, the more the Shade token will accrue value through fees and rewards for stakers. So what's great about Shade is that it builds upon what Luna's created, plus it's a new project. Now, there are risks associated with it. One of them is that as a secret asset, it doesn't have the number of transactions per second like Luna Terra does, but it may be something worth looking at, certainly worth digging into. Now, this report goes into the risks, it goes into the team, it goes into the tokenomics, it goes into synthetic assets and what the future plans are for Shade. Now, I've just touched upon the investment report that Token Metrics team produced on Shade Protocol. Why? Well, because I'm interested in Shade Protocol personally myself, but they have investment reports on just about all the top cryptocurrencies. So if you want to do a deep dive into any one of these like Near Protocol or Chainlink, you can pretty much guarantee you'll be able to get some really great AI-driven analysis to inform the decisions that you make. So do check it out. Link in the description below. Now, onto a quick update on that other project, the passive income project that I've been involved with since October 2017 when they ICO'd, paying out rewards on a regular basis since about April 2018 to its token holders. The rewards that get accrued to token holders come from a variety of revenue streams. One is from Hatchworks. Now, Hatchworks is an investment company with an in-house incubator, and what they do is they invest in a variety of companies, including these four, and then some of the profits that accrue are shared with the token holders. Now, the token holders who get this are those that hold SXDT. Now, another revenue stream for SXD holders is Spectre Exchange, a fully compliant cryptocurrency exchange. And then there's skill gaming. Skill gaming is a skills-based gaming platform where you can play other people that you meet through the platform, or you can play friends of yours, or you can play against the computer for real money. And they have to date given out over $2 million in prize money. And then some of the revenue from skillgaming.com goes to SXDT holders. And then there's Spectre.ai. This is a fraud-free trading platform where you can trade digital contracts. And then some of the revenue that this platform generates goes to SXDT holders. Now, they've just published their year 4 results, and I'll link to this in the description below so you can check it all out for yourself. I do got to say that if you are a US citizen or resident, you can't get SXDT rewards, and that's because of the US regulatory rules, nothing to do with Spectre. Now, before I go through the 4th year results, let's have a look at the quarter 4 results, where the actual numbers of total traders is 10,101, which is an all-time high. The actual number of traders within the individual quarter is 1,301, which is the lowest for 18 months. But the number of total registrations is nearly 45% higher than those registered by the end of the previous year. Total volume traded is just over $3 million, which is higher than quarter 3, but lower than the previous year's results. Total winnings paid out to traders are in excess of $1.3 million, and the rewards that have accrued to SXDT holders are $222.6 thousand. Now, these are the year 4 results. The new active regular accounts in year 4, 3,505 compared to 3,318 in year 3, so that's an increase. But the number of new registrations, 40,833 in year 4, is lower than the 57,615 in year 3. The total volume traded is also lower. That's 13.248 million compared to 15.143 million in year 3. Now, why is that? Now they give three factors that they say that have been at play. One is weaker trading volumes as the slowing of the retail trading boom that began with pandemic lockdowns. The other is a general worldwide crackdown on short-term synthetic trading. And this has meant that some of their fairly high-profile affiliates and influencers in countries such as Indonesia and Brazil have been prevented from promoting Spectre's products. And there's also been increasing option for retail traders in terms of social trading, HYIPs in crypto Robinhood, competing for wallet share. Last but not least, the recent situation in Ukraine resulted in an immediate 15% drop in volumes via the MT2 bridge, in particular by Russian traders. We suspect owing to the sanctions imposed on the country. These have begun to be replaced elsewhere since. Now, what they've got coming up in the future is the launch of their front-end upgrade. They're going to be bringing traditional equities, forex, indices, crypto, and other assets to Spectre.ai. This will allow traders to buy and sell close to 2,000 assets with and without leverage. There's also going to be the incorporation of social trading, along with expanded access of our brokerless wallet with key partnerships with major blockchains. Now, despite the uncertainty in the larger macroeconomic environment. And then as for skill gaming, this continues to grow and grow with close to 15 paid partnerships, including 4 white labels. Discussions continue with further white label partners, some of which are listed companies, with some progress to the contract signing stage, outcomes of which we expect in the coming quarter. Slowly but surely, skill gaming's value proposition is becoming clear on the B2B side of things within the growing gaming industry. As for Spectre Exchange, the pending launch of Chaos under the DART project, along with the listing of a few prominent tokens, is likely to result in a new, stable, and complementary source of revenue for the group and SXDT holders. Now, what's Chaos and the DART project? I don't know. I looked around for more information on it, but was unable to find it at the time of recording. If you do know, let me know in the comments below. What is Chaos? What is DART project? Now on to R&D. The group's focus on R&D continues unabated. Areas of resource allocation continue to be Phoenix, which will contribute to certain revenues in certain weeks, and this is an algorithmic trading bot, and it's MEV, minor extracted value research. Skill Gaming under Karen Yap has contracted a team of 8 full-time staff solely focused on creating an Unreal Engine-based metaverse platform, with the goal to offer this as a service to a growing roster of partners down the road. Now, the status of these projects are experimental. In the future, we expect tricky market conditions to weigh down on rewards and expect rewards to fluctuate in the 10K to 20K week range this year until sufficient scale is achieved on one of the product lines and/or windfall gains achieved by investments, and the latter is dependent upon market conditions. Outlier weeks, however, may result in higher rewards. There's going to be a special reward in May, and we expect the ongoing Blitz-based SXDT buyback to be complete by the end of June. Now, it says here that they're going to be holding a webinar in April, but I didn't get a notification about that, so it may have been delayed. And this will go through the results of the last quarter and the full financial year. And the webinar is open only to token holders, and the details will be sent out to token holders. So that's it on Spectre. I'm very happy with my SXDT investments. This is a project that launched in 2017, like I said, and they're still growing steadily, slowly, possibly informed by Goldman Sachs' maxim of long-term greedy. Now, if you have any questions or comments, put them in the description below. If you are an SXDT holder, give me a D. If you hold SXUT, which is the sister token of the Spectre projects, give me a U. If you hold both, pick one. Give me any ticker symbols. All your comments make a difference. And please, please, please do come and support me and follow my work on Odyssey. You can also join my official Telegram announcements channel and follow me on Twitter. Between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.